Hey guys, it's me, iiVoltageWolf. Welcome back to another tutorial in my favorite audio editing software, Audacity. This time I'm gonna teach you how I make demon voices. Mainly I voice act them, like I do a deep voice for Dregador, but I was like, it doesn't live up to expectations if I do that. Trying to mimic Robert Belgrade. You know, let's get into it. Let's not waste any time. So, hit R. Even upon my defeat, the power of Dregador will one day awaken to be your demise. I I tried to make a reference to one of David Hayter's voice clips in Ritual of the Night, in the hidden voice clips, or the secret messages. Alright, I'm gonna trim it to where it's like the beginning is imminent. Alright, if your mic is a bit quiet, like, you can just amplify it a little. My main preference for this, it's let's do 7.075. Even upon my defeat, the power of Dregador will one day awaken to be. Alright, that'll work. Sure. Alright. So we amplified the audio. Now we need to duplicate this. Duplicate the track this way. And I'm going to name this lower. It's like, rarely do people, you know, name their audio clips. Now, what you need to do is change the pitch. Not the speed, the pitch.
Even upon my defeat.
Oh shit,
Even upon my defeat.
All it takes is some fiddling around.
Even upon my defeat, the power of Dregador will one day awaken to be.
Alright, that'll work. Great. So the result should be this.
Even upon my defeat, the power of Dregador will one day awaken to be your demise.
You know, it's very simple. It's very simple to do. And if you have a mic that picks up background noise, all you have to do is hover over the noisy bit, go to noise reduction, get the noise profile, then hover and select the whole track. Do the same thing, but this time hit OK. So, that's pretty much the video. Just a simple Audacity tutorial to show you how I make my demon voices. I mainly do a deep voice for Dregador again. But if you have any demon characters that you plan to have a voice for like that, do this method. Otherwise, it may sound a bit janky. Because sometimes voice acting might not cut it. So doing this might work better. So I hope you've gotten informed and know how to do this audio trick. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, like gaming, vlogs, and furry-related content, consider hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel. Don't want to miss anything? Consider hitting that notification bell to get notified of all new content heading your way. And this has been iiVoltageWolf, and I'll see you all in the next session. Goodbye, pack mates.